Hello, good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Positive Channel. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload every other week. So today's video, I'm going to be doing something different. Today we're going to be doing I'm going to show you some DIY clothing. So I basically put 3 of my clothes on the bed. Just gonna try them on. I don't know if you're gonna like them, but just something simple for DIY. And then if you guys love videos like this, you let me know as well. Okay, so I'm going to put them on and try, and then I'll show you them. Okay, hey guys, the first outfit is these blue jeans, this black and brown yellow shirt. This is my first DIY outfit. I really like how simple this is because of course I have my chain, I have my jewelry, very simple for a DIY color because you guys know now we're in the spring and you can wear any type of color. So I said, why not put this on? And I really like how simple this is. You just put it on and go. Okay, so this is the first one. Now let me show you the second one. Guys, second outfit, I have this yellow shirt. You can do a style like this. So shirts like this, you make a style, or you tuck in your shirt. Really like how nice this shirt is. Not the pants, but I just put it to change it. This is like a kind of a spring color. I have a nice beautiful bang on my hand. My brown belt kind of blends with this. And yeah, I just like how simple this looks. Very simple for the spring, and I don't know, really like it. Okay, I'm gonna do my last one and then we're done. Hey, outfit number 3. So this is my brown shirt, black leggings, 2 big hoops. Okay, very nice and simple. I really like how nice this outfit is. Very nice for the spring. Nice and calm, nice and chill. Like when it's a little bit more warm. I like this. Very nice. Yeah, outfit number 3. Alright, so let's end the video, guys. Alright guys, so other than that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. Comment down below what you guys think about this DIY clothing. I was looking at some ideas and I said, why not do something different? So I show you some DIY. I show you 3 DIY clothing. So I hope you get something out of it. And like I said, alright guys, so my iPad just died. So I was trying to say, if you guys want more fashion discussion, that will be at the end of like the topics. Okay, so but I was trying to say, other than that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys get some ideas how to dress for the spring. You can wear all colors, but I just decided just do something more simple and easy, and that will be it. Okay, so I cannot wait to see you guys in my next one. Bye. Oh yeah, wait. Follow me on my social medias. Bye.